There we go. Today is Wednesday, June 29th. My name is Rafi Boyajian, currency analyst at xm.com, here to provide you with your Forex news update. Global stocks attempted a strong rebound yesterday as the immediate shock of the UK vote to leave the EU appeared to dissipate. However, risk sentiment was still very weak as the pound made only a modest recovery and the yen was back on the rise again today. The S&P 500 in the US closed 1.8% higher on Tuesday, while in Europe, London's FTSE 100 closed up 2.6%. Asian stocks on Wednesday were mostly positive too, but currency markets remained uneasy. The pound was hovering around yesterday's close at $1.3340, and the euro was also stuck in a tight range and firm to $1.1071 in late Asian trading. The greenback was down though against the yen, slipping to 102.26 as the yen advanced against most major currencies in today's Asian session. The dollar was weighed down on Wednesday from comments by Fed Governor Jerome Powell. Speaking in Chicago, Powell said that last week's Brexit referendum has shifted global risk to the downside, dampening the prospect of future US rate rises. In Japan, weaker than expected retail sales failed to dent the yen's strength and was a further sign that consumer spending in Japan remains fragile. Japan's Prime Minister Shinzo Abe said on Wednesday that the government is ready to mobilize all policy tools to support the Japanese economy and small firms. He also urged the Bank of Japan to provide ample liquidity to the market following Britain's surprise vote to leave the EU. Financial markets were given little indication from yesterday's EU summit as to what to expect from a future relationship between the EU and Britain outside of the organization. The EU has insisted that negotiations with Britain cannot start until after Article 50 has been triggered, which is not expected to happen until September at the earliest, when a new conservative leader has been elected. The Chinese yuan continued to come under pressure from the Brexit uncertainty as it risks adding further challenges to a slowing Chinese economy. The yuan touched a fresh 5.5-year low of 6.6540 per dollar in onshore trading today. The best performing currencies in Asia were the Australian and New Zealand dollars, which advanced for a second day against the US dollar. The Aussie was last up at 0.7418, while the Kiwi rose to 0.7095. Looking ahead to the rest of the day, economic sentiment data for the Eurozone and flash German CPI are due in the European session, while in the North American session, personal income and spending, as well as pending home sales out of the US will be watched. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.